Hi everyone, today we are here with Maria Kurgan of Perspire Sauna Studios in Dana Point. And I'm so excited to feature her today and hear all about her business and how she helps people feel better and stay healthier. So Maria, welcome. I can't wait to hear all about your business. So tell us what Perspire Sauna Studios is and does.
Sure. Perspire Sauna Studio is an infrared sauna. We have 40-minute sessions in a private sauna room for our customers. It has so many benefits, as you can see here.
Yes.
It's very good for detoxing your body. We take in toxins all day long from food, from the environment, from what we eat. It also burns calories. It's actually equivalent to a 2 to 3 mile run, so it can burn up to 200 to 400 calories. It's very good for relaxation. Obviously, you're sitting in there watching Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu, 40 minutes of self-care, and it's really, really good for sleep. Actually, that's in the bottom, but that's like my favorite benefit. Especially if you go out in the evening, it's very, very just soothing and relaxing, so you can get to sleep much easier. It's very good for immunity, especially during COVID pandemic. We have a green light therapy. We have red light therapy that's supposedly be very good for it. There's been studies around light therapy and the combination of infrared that makes it strengthen your immunity. And there's also very good for pain and clear skin. A lot of our clients have psoriasis, acne, that helps. Infrared sauna is supposed to help improve all of that.
Sounds awesome. It sounds like it cures everything. I love it. I know we can't say it cures anything, but helping with all those things. So many people suffer from all of these things, and sounds like it could help anyone. So tell us what inspired you to open this location and get into this business.
Yeah, I was actually in corporate America for 23 years, and
Okay.
I got so burnt out of that. I was stressed. I didn't see my kids very much. I was traveling a lot. And I actually also went through a major health crisis 2 years ago. I went through breast cancer, went through surgery and chemotherapy and radiation. And I actually discovered Perspire as a customer to ease my pain throughout my recovery. I used to wake up in the middle of the night because I have medication and I'm in constant joint pains. And going to infrared sauna, I actually had to go every day, and it just completely removed my pain, and it was very good for my mental health as well.
Yes.
I was depressed and I was anxious. Just going through a major illness like that, I really just jolted my entire just lifestyle and my whole perspective on things. And so I just wanted to get into this business. I was like, well, I want something that has flexibility. I can pick up my kids from school. I want something in wellness so that I can make people feel better and share it with the community and how it changed my life.
That is awesome. And before we started, I learned that you live in Laguna Niguel, and her location is here in the Monarch Bay Plaza in Dana Point. What do you love about the area that you live in and have your business in? What are the things you like about it?
I love Dana Point because I've always been active. I run to Salt Creek Beach. That's one of my favorite beaches in the Strands. And so I love the location just because we're right here on the Coast Highway, and there's a lot of active, like-minded wellness people. And we're also neighbors with Grit Cycle and SoCal Boot Camp, which is perfect. It's a great complement to active lifestyle.
That is awesome. I love it. I love how in this area, in Orange County in California, we're very more health-minded. I just was in Florida a couple of weeks ago, and there's a lot more smokers there. Like, we take for granted that the rest of the world is so health-minded as us, but they're not.
Right.
But it's really exciting that you're bringing this to our community to help people too.
So excited,
So we learned a little bit about, what you like about the area and your business. Like, do you have future plans, or would you like to have more locations eventually, or is this it for you? What's your plans?
Yes, I did sign up for 3 locations, so we're hoping to open one in San Clemente and maybe San Diego County. We're still kind of evaluating the best possible place, but 3 locations is what I'm aiming for in the next 2 to 3 years.
That's
and
awesome.
So excited.
Yeah, and those of you that are on Instagram, that's how I learned about you. I saw it coming soon on Instagram, so I've been kind of following that for a while. It's really exciting. I love following and tracking businesses and entrepreneurs' journeys, and I love when people are successful. So how has your business been, especially now during COVID?
It's been going extremely well, and maybe because it's COVID and everything's closed and the gym is closed. But yeah, I'm very, very surprised at how much people are so receptive to just feeling better and taking care of themselves, especially during this time. So yeah, we're doing record numbers actually in terms of opening numbers. So we're so extremely excited. We did pre-sale our membership 3 months before, so they all converted, and so yeah, we have over 170 members right now.
Oh my gosh, that's phenomenal! Just being brand new, you've only been open a few weeks, right?
Yes.
So that is phenomenal. I'm so excited for you.
Yes, thank you.
So yeah, is there anything else you'd like our viewers to know about you or your business?
Yeah, I mean, definitely come check us out. We're in the Monarch Bay Plaza by Jelson's. We're happy to give whoever views this video to give you guys a free session to try.
Oh, how generous.
Yes.
Thank you. So what should they mention? Is there like a code or anything? Or they can mention my name, Holly McKhann.
Yes, Holly.
Holly McKhann. So you say you saw it on Holly McKhann's video?
Yes.
Come in for a free session. That was really generous.
Thank you. Thank you for including me.
Oh, well, I'm excited, and hopefully we'll be sending a lot of people your way to feel better. Like, what a great business that you're just making a positive difference in people's lives. And you don't have to be in cancer or a serious health problem. Like, it just makes, wherever you are, it makes you feel better. So that's great. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it. We'll be happy to promote you and share your story and your business. Thank you so much. So remember, Perspire Sauna Studio in Dana Point in Monarch Bay Plaza next to Gelson's, and Grit Cycle and
SoCal Boot Camp.
SoCal Boot Camp. You got all those health and fitness ones right together. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.